Hi, so you are here because you have heard a lot about data science, machine learning, AI. You have heard a lot of news about it and you have done your research and you see there's a lot of opportunity in the fields of data science and machine learning, and maybe because you have taken some courses in the fields of data science, like some of the courses includes like Python, which is the major programming language for data scientists. Or maybe you are here because you don't have any programming experience, but you would like to get into the field of data science, and you see a lot of opportunity and demand for the data science, and that's true. Which is true. Everything you have heard is great, true. There are definitely a lot of demand in the field of data science. There are lots of jobs. If you just go and Google it, there is a 36% increase in the 36% increase in the career opportunity in the fields of data science and machine learning. So I'm glad you're here, and I'm going to help you or give you some of the tips and tricks in how to get into this data science field. Okay. So hi, my name is Chris Kimire. So I have been working as a data scientist for almost 5 years now, and I work in many projects. So if you want to know about my degree, so I have a degree in Master in Data Science. But don't worry about the degree. So nobody cares about your degree when the hiring manager is trying to hire for the positions. Okay, what they care about is, can you do the job? Do you have the skill? So you have the skill, but you're still not finding the job. Great. So there is I don't mean to say great, but I'm great that you are here to learn why you have not been able to find the job, okay? So there is one piece of information that you are missing, and that's preventing you from getting that data science job, okay? So I have been working as a mentor and data scientist for a while. So besides working as a data scientist for my real job, I mentor people, I help people, and I have mentored almost over hundreds of people basically. So and many of them have gone out there and have been working as a data scientist, machine learning engineer, data analyst, and many of them make six-figure, so they make a lot of money. Okay, so there are lots of jobs out there. So there are fewer data scientists or people who know how to do the programming or who can do the job than the number of jobs. Okay, so there are lots of jobs. So what is that one piece of information that you guys are missing, right? So you can do the skill, you apply it to the company website, you apply it to different sites, and you try to find a job. And trust me, I've done that. So I have applied for hundreds and hundreds of jobs, and I never had luck with any of them. Okay, so the most important piece of information that you're lacking, and that's preventing you from getting that job in the field of data science, is this is it. So it's coaching, it's mentorship. Okay, so no matter whether you have a degree or you have a certificate, all those things, again, they don't matter. Okay, they matter afterwards. So what you really need is somebody who can guide you. Okay, somebody who is already working in the field, who is already working in the data science field, who is working as a data scientist or machine learning engineer, who knows what type of questions they need to prepare on, who knows what type of project to work on. So I'm going to help you guys. So I'm going to help you with, here's a lot of things, here's what I'm going to help you guys with. So I'm going to help you guys with what data science is all about, whole data science cycle, like what type of project to work on. So again, to go a little bit back, like what type of business problem to look into, right? Depending on what type of field you want to work in, there's a lot of job in every field, you name it. Like you might come from many different domains, maybe from healthcare field or banking field or customer service or real estate, you name it, any field. There is lots of data, and we have a technology that can now capture lots of data, but there is a lack of skilled personnel that can actually work with those data. Okay, and then every company is trying to build a machine learning and AI app or the software that can actually help them make better decisions about future using their data. Okay, so I'm gonna show you exactly how to prepare for an interview, how to work in your resume, like how to make your resume look like a data scientist, or basically tailor your resume that that you can get attention from the hiring manager, basically, because a lot of people don't have that skill, and and that's why they're not finding job. Okay, and then I'm going to show you what type of project to work on, where to find the data, how to complete the project end to end, basically getting business problem to getting the data to solving the problem, communicating your answer, and then deploying out there to solve the problem. Okay, so this is the whole cycle of data science is about finding the problems, right? So what is the problem you're trying to solve? And then finding the data to solve that problem. So once you solve the problem, now you have to communicate that problem. No matter what kind of app do you build, like no matter how advanced your app is, right? So if you can't communicate that problem in a way your stakeholder can understand, you are not going to be able to sell it, okay? And if they're not buying it, then you're not getting the job, basically. So basically, you have to explain to a hiring manager, right, that you can do the job. And you have the product, which is your skill, and that's valuable, and that you're going to make a difference using your skill. So that's the portion that I'm going to show you how to communicate, how to have that confidence and talk like a data scientist, okay? So let me comment me below, and then reach out to me, direct message me, or or go to my you can go to my LinkedIn profile and check out about my profile, and feel free to connect with me and see how I can help you. Okay, I start a new batch of mentorship, new batch of your training sessions every month, so I hope to see you out there. Thanks for watching.